Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast video day. My name is Eric. Today is the 16th of April around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Times. And here we go guys with another video from Elliott Wave Forecast. Today's video we're going to take a look at the Dow Transportation. And it's a very unique index at this stage due to the fact that because of the virus, a lot of the transportation companies like American Airlines, Delta, among others, are taking a huge hit. But as we always say in Elliott Wave Forecast, we do not pay attention to fundamentals. We were expecting this putback across the market since last year. And now, as we always do, what we're going to do is we're going to try to anticipate into the next move, right? So today's video, we're going to take a look over here at the grand super cycle in the Dow Jones Transportation. As for those that doesn't know, the Dow Jones Transportation is an index, and that wave about 20 corporations around the world in the U.S. that create that, and then it create the index. Corporations like Americans, Delta, among others, they are waived into this index. So the index, as we can see, we have to subdivide it into waves. We have the cycles from the all-time low all the way to the 2000, a flat over here in the 2000, even you can put it here, but a flat into the 2000, a putback in 3 weeks, and another set of 5 weeks. Now, if we can see from the all-time lows until 2000, we have 5 clear weeks. The 3 weeks putback and another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 clear weeks into 2018. So technically the index, it is a 3 ways advance in blue, and it's very important. It is an advance that it comes with extension. And in the Elliott Wave theory over here, we can look at the 5 weeks advance. And then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 1 comes in 5. The 2 comes in 3. The 3 comes in 5. The 4 comes in 3. And another 5 to complete an advance of 3 weeks or 5 weeks. At this moment, we suspect that we here. Why? Because what we have in the Dow Jones Transportation is 2 sets of 5 weeks and 3 weeks putback. That's exactly what we have here. 5, 3, and 5, in which, like I say, the B wave or the wave 2 right there, it was a flat, right? The wave 2 over here, let me put the label so you guys understand it better. It was a flat, exactly the same as the SPY, right? If we look at the chart, if we look at the chart of the SPY here, we can see exactly the same. This is the SPY. We have 1, 2, 3, and a 3 weeks putback, right? So what makes the difference between an ABC and a 5 weeks is that if you look at 1, 2, 3, is the same as ABC. The difference is that this way, the third way, got extended in the relationship between 1 and 2. In other words, that the peak of the wave 3 passed the 1.618 if you measure from here up to here, and put it in the bottom here, this peak passed the 1.618. So if we do that exercise with the SPY from 0 over here, and by the way, starting on Saturday, we're going to start covering the SPY in the regular instrument of Elliott Wave Forecast. The SPY is the same. 5, this is 2000, 2009, and it passed the 1.618. The transportation index or the Dow Jones, it passed the 1.618. It even went and almost reached the 2.618 extension here. In other words, it's not an ABC, it is an impulse. As it is an impulse, we believe that right now we are here in the putback in the wave 4 that always happen in 3. And when we look there, we have 1, 2, 3 to the buying areas over here, which is between the 1 and the 1.618 station. And even it looks like it did 5 weeks from here. Now, what do we like the 4 and the 5? First, the extension here. And second, also the idea that instruments like Delta, this is Delta Airline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is very deep over here, right? It's very deep over here. It needs to bounce. And also right there we have American Airline, which also from 2009, it rallied here and it is very deep, also a buying area, which is telling me, looking at Delta and looking at America, which both are part of the Dow Jones or transportation, is telling me that most likely this one, it won't do this part over here that many are expecting. As I say, in the when you're reading the blog, you're gonna be able to see that I say that only if the Dow Jones or transportation break these lows, then you need to considering that then it's gonna become 5 from here, it goes here, and it goes there. But when I look at instruments like Delta, American Airline, I have to believe that the Dow Jones or transportation is gonna hold these areas and it's gonna rally into new all-time high sometime soon. So eventually, it's a very well-defined Elliott Wave structure. It's a possibility that new highs happen from here. But looking at how long it took in this wave 2 in blue, it took 9 years. If you look how long it took in the SPY here, it took 9 years. There is a strong possibility that we're gonna get a little sideways here for a while before we break to the outside. Regardless, as far as I stay about here, looking at Delta, American, among other, we believe that the outside will prevail and that we can trade into new all-time highs without breaking the lows that we see sometimes in March. That's the video for today. I hope you guys understand and enjoy how we look at the market. If you like it, take the free trial here. It's free for 14 days, no commitment, but you're gonna get this analysis live every day in our servers, right? And all the 78 instruments that we cover. Thank you guys all. Have a good day.